Every step you take, every move you make, someone, or rather something, is always watching. Welcome to the era of AI surveillance. It's more prevalent than ever, silently observing, recording, analyzing. From the alleys of your neighborhood to the confines of your living room. Nothing is off limits, nothing is unseen. Every mundane action, every meaningful interaction captured and dissected. This isn't a tale of a dystopian future, this is our present. But how did we end up here, under the constant watchful eyes of AI? This is the story of AI surveillance, a narrative that spans decades, and it's time we dive deep into it. The story of AI surveillance begins with the rapid advancements in technology, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence. The last couple of decades have seen an incredible surge in our ability to process vast amounts of information, thanks to the development of powerful algorithms and increased computational power. This technology boom didn't just bring us smarter phones and more immersive video games, it also gave birth to AI surveillance, a tool that seemed like it belonged in a futuristic sci-fi movie, but quickly became a reality. The early stages of AI surveillance were focused on security and law enforcement. It was a simple idea, really. If a machine could learn to recognize patterns and anomalies, it could be used to spot potential threats. Facial recognition algorithms were employed to identify suspects in crowded public spaces. Behavioral analysis tools were developed to predict criminal activity. But the scope of AI surveillance quickly expanded beyond the realm of law enforcement. Governments saw the potential in using this technology for a range of purposes, from traffic management to public health monitoring. As we embrace the conveniences of a connected world, we also open the door to an era of unprecedented surveillance. Our every move, our every click, our every word could be monitored, analyzed, and stored. As technology continued to evolve, so did the capabilities of AI surveillance. Scene script. AI surveillance isn't confined to the realm of science fiction or dystopian novels. It's here, and it's spreading at an alarming rate. Today, AI surveillance has permeated various sectors, quietly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just in the hands of government or law enforcement, it has made its way into marketing, finance, and even education. In the marketing sector, companies are using AI surveillance to track consumer behavior, tailoring their strategies based on what they discover. They're not just interested in what you buy, but also how you shop, what you search for, and even what you ignore. It's a powerful tool that can boost sales, but also raises questions about privacy. In finance, AI surveillance helps detect fraudulent activity, safeguarding our assets and ensuring the integrity of transactions. But it also means that our financial behavior is under constant watch. Every purchase, every transaction is recorded and analyzed. It feels like a trade-off between security and privacy. The education sector is not left out. Schools are using AI surveillance to monitor students and improve the learning environment. Facial recognition technology is used to track attendance, behavior, and even engagement. But this raises concerns about creating a culture of constant surveillance among the young and impressionable. The rise of facial recognition technology is particularly significant. It's not just about identifying a person. It can detect emotions, determine age, and even predict behavior. It's being used in airports, shopping malls, and city streets across the globe. While it can enhance security, it also opens up a Pandora's box of potential misuse and abuse. As we move forward, it's crucial to have conversations about the ethical implications and potential risks of AI surveillance. It's a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how it's used. But with the power it holds, the stakes are incredibly high. With AI surveillance becoming more prevalent, it's important to understand its current state. Today, AI surveillance is more advanced and pervasive than ever before. As we navigate the digital age, the balance between privacy and security continues to teeter on the edge. Artificial intelligence surveillance, a once abstract concept, has evolved into a tangible reality. Today, it's not just about CCTV cameras on street corners, it's about facial recognition technologies, autonomous drones, machine learning algorithms, and so much more. Governments and corporations alike have adopted AI surveillance as a means to monitor citizens and consumers. While the intent may be benign, ensuring public safety or enhancing user experiences, the reality can be quite unnerving. Our every move, every click, every purchase, and every post is being monitored, analyzed, and stored. No longer confined to the realms of science fiction, AI surveillance has become a ubiquitous part of our daily lives. It's in our homes, our workplaces, our streets, and even our pockets. Our digital footprints are being tracked relentlessly, painting a vivid picture of our lives for those who have access to this data. This pervasive surveillance has raised significant concerns about privacy, civil liberties, and the potential for misuse of data. As AI continues to evolve, so too does the sophistication of surveillance systems. This begs the question, are we on a path to a dystopian future where privacy becomes a luxury and freedom an illusion? AI surveillance is here to stay, but at what cost? AI surveillance holds tremendous potential for security and efficiency, but it also presents grave implications for civil liberties. The invisible eyes of artificial intelligence, always watching, always learning, pose significant threats to our privacy. They can see into the corners of our lives where even the brightest light of human scrutiny cannot reach, threatening to turn our personal spaces into public domains. Moreover, these systems, with their capacity to analyze and predict, could potentially manipulate our actions and decisions, infringing on our autonomy. The omnipresent surveillance also challenges our freedom of speech, as the fear of being watched might coerce us into self-censorship. This is a call to action for governments and societies worldwide. The need for stringent regulations to protect individual rights is paramount. We must strike a balance between leveraging AI for societal benefits and respecting individual privacy and freedom. The era of AI surveillance is upon us. It's time to decide what kind of future we want to live in.